If your skin feels dull and tired, you've probably wondered how to get that plump, deeply hydrated, flawless texture known as Korean glass skin. You can build a complete dermatologist-approved morning and evening routine in under 5 minutes. You don't need heavy makeup, and you definitely don't need an expensive 10-step system. Getting this specific glow requires changing how your skin's barrier functions on a biological level rather than trying to cover up imperfections. Step 0 is at your sink. Turn your faucet and adjust the temperature so the water is exclusively lukewarm before you start any step. Your face has a delicate pH balance called the acid mantle. Washing with hot water or harsh body soaps instantly strips this protection away. Think of a healthy skin barrier like this diagram. Cells are neatly stacked bricks, held together by glowing mortar that locks blue moisture particles safely inside. Exposing that wall to hot water dissolves the mortar, cracking the bricks and allowing moisture to rapidly evaporate. If you ignore this baseline temperature and pH discipline, applying expensive serums later in your routine won't yield results. Now let's build the morning routine. The primary objective of these steps is daily defense. Step 1. Wash your face with a gentle, detan, or pH-balanced cleanser. When you finish, pat your skin dry with a towel, intentionally leaving it slightly damp. Step 2. Dispense 2 to 3 drops of vitamin C serum. Gently pat it directly into the skin rather than rubbing it around. Vitamin C works chemically to neutralize free radicals caused by daily pollution, while simultaneously boosting your natural collagen production. Step 3. Apply a lightweight face moisturizer. Do not use thick body lotions on your face for this step, as they are formulated differently and will clog your pores. Step 4. Measure exactly 2 finger lengths of your broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher sunscreen and apply it evenly. Applying these layers in this exact sequence creates an invisible daily armor. It actively prevents UV-induced dullness and preserves a reflective radiance throughout the day. Moving to the evening routine, the objective shifts from defense to deep hydration and repair. Step 1. Perform a double cleanse. This will thoroughly strip away the heavy layer of SPF and accumulated pollution from your day. Step 2. Once or twice a week, apply a natural hydration mask. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, use raw honey. If your skin is sensitive or sunburned, apply pure aloe vera gel. Step 3. Lock in that treatment by applying a ceramide-based night moisturizer and leave it on overnight. Ceramides act as the replacement mortar for your skin. They physically rebuild any cracks in your skin barrier while your body rests. Nighttime is the exclusive biological window where your cells repair themselves. Because of this lock-in step is the engine that drives your physical transformation into glass skin. Removing dead cells once or twice a week is necessary, but using ingredients from your kitchen pantry can actively disrupt your progress. Many common household items are physically and chemically incompatible with your face. Never use sugar scrubs. Sugar granules act like jagged glass, causing invisible micro-tears across the surface of your skin. Avoid baking soda entirely. Its extreme alkalinity instantly annihilates your skin's protective acid mantle. Do not spot-treat pimples with toothpaste. The harsh ingredients cause severe chemical burn marks and permanent hyperpigmentation. Violently scrubbing your skin with these kitchen hacks prevents a smooth texture, regardless of how perfectly you execute the rest of your routine. You now have a functional morning and evening sequence to maintain a healthy, hydrated skin barrier. To set realistic expectations, look at this timeline mapping cellular turnover. A new healthy skin cell takes between 28 and 40 days to migrate from the deep foundational layers up to the smooth surface. Because of this cycle, true visual results will take exactly 4 to 6 weeks to surface. To fuel this continuous turnover, you must maintain 2 non-negotiable lifestyle habits: drinking 2 liters of water daily and securing 8 hours of sleep for cellular repair. Here is your complete checklist. Take a screenshot of this graphic right now, set up your products by your sink, and start the PM protocol tonight. When you align this routine with consistent hydration and sleep, you provide your skin with the exact conditions needed to reach its most radiant state.